Hello friends, मैं डॉक्टर बिशोर चौधरी and this video is about how to have a better eyesight without glasses. बिना glasses के कैसे हम ठीक से देख पाएँ, 100% देख पाएँ. That I can explain you in 3 steps. Step 1, exercise. There is a very special exercise, and if you do it for some days, you will be able to recover from the vision problem. You will get back your vision. You will be able to throw the glasses away, and that is called neck, shoulder and eye rotation exercise. Start with the shoulder exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 बार ऐसे and 10 बार in opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इस तरह से आपको करना है for 5 minutes. You have to keep on doing this kind of exercise for 5 minutes, approximately 5 minutes. That is called shoulder exercise, shoulder rotation exercise. Second kind of exercise is called neck exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, and then 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, and then this side 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the other side 10 like this, right? So this is called the neck exercise for 5 minutes. And now the eye rotation exercise. Eye rotation both sides. For example, 1, 2, 3. So likewise 10 this side and 10 this side. 1, 2, like this. This is called the eye rotation exercise. So total you should spend about 15 minutes to 20 minutes every day for a few days, maybe 1 month or so. And that is the step 1. Step 2, every day at least 1 hour you have to spend with the older glasses. So for example, now your vision, you are wearing a glass with the power 3. This means previously it was 2. So get that glass again and try to wear the glass, and so that the brain can readjust the focal length. So spending the 1 hour, 2 hour with the older glass, what will happen that within few days you will find that older glass will be more comfortable than the present glasses. This means that is the time again now to reduce the glasses further. इसका मतलब कि आपको एक नया ग्लासेस खरीदना है जिसका पावर होगा 1.5, और then try to wear it for some days and you will find yourself more comfortable with that glasses, and that means now you have to buy glasses with still lesser power. So gradually you have to reduce the power of the glasses as you are exercising every day for 15-20 minutes. But the most important is having a kind of food which can help you recover from the vision loss. That is the standard kind of diet, a diet which I normally recommend to the diabetes patient. But that diet is equally effective for this process also, because people who are diabetic, they lose their vision. So there is a strong connection between diabetes patient and a vision loss. This means to recover, the diet for the diabetes and the diet for the vision cannot be different. It is similar. So the kind of standard diet which I recommend, which is there in the page of Facebook, you follow the standard diet. That is first thing. Second, try to be more friendly with your older glasses of less power. Try to practice that. And third, most important is every day you must exercise for 15 to 20 minutes. This special vision recovery exercise is called shoulder, neck and eye rotation exercise. If you keep on doing it, you will find that your vision will recover and you will be forced to wear glasses with lesser power, and finally you have to abandon the glasses, and you will remain healthier, and your vision will also be healthier. So hope this video will help you. Try it and let me know what benefit you got out of it. All the best. Thank you. Me, Dr. Vishwarup.